Let us try to translate phrases into algebraic expressions. Now, once you've done this, you're ready to solve word problems. That means writing equations and then solving them. Question here is, write the following phrases as an algebraic expression. Now, as a quick reminder, when we say algebraic expression, it means what? It means two things. One, there is no equal to sign here, okay? And second, there is definitely one variable. Algebraic is, that means you're dealing with at least one variable. So if you have a variable and if you don't have an equal to sign, it is expression. If you have a variable and one equal to sign, it becomes algebraic equation, right? Equation has equal to sign, but expressions will not have equal to sign. Remember that part, okay? Now, as you know, we should have a variable. So normally, if you have to translate a phrase, first statement should be a let statement so that you define a variable. In this case, what we have done is, we have just given you a general let statement, and here is the one. It says, let x represent an integer. Correct. So you have to use x as an integer for all of these 5 examples. First one is 7 more than the integer. At this stage, I'd like you to copy the questions, pause the video, answer the questions, and then look into my suggestions. So these phrases are: A, 7 more than the integer, 5 times the integer, C is 3 less than the integer, D is integer decreased by 10, and E is 2/5 of the integer. Okay, so you can, once you've done all your questions, then look into my suggestions. Here are my suggestions. When we say 7 more than the integer, integer for us is x. 7 more than x, that is what we are going to write. So integer is x, we write x plus 7. Okay. 7 more than integer. 5 times the integer means 5 times integer is x. 3 less than integer. You have to write integer first and then 3. That is 3 less than integer. Do not write 3 minus x. If you write 3 minus x, it will be wrong. Okay, so this is incorrect. Remember that. Integer decreased by 10. That is when you write x minus 10. Integer decreased by 10. And 3 less than integer is also similar. 2/5 of the integer. That means 2/5 of means multiplied, right? Times integer. That is how we write it, okay? So this is how we'll do this. Let's move on to the next set, where again you'll be translating phrases into algebraic expressions, but this time expressions will be slightly more complicated, okay? Thank you.